What's up, party peeps? Part 3 of part 1. And then we have to move on to part 2. And I think there'll be 3 more parts of part 2. This is ridiculous. This poem is a monster. Here's your wee paper, in case you forgot. Typewriter Series 483. We're doing part 3 today. There's the back. Atlas still holding up the world. It's kind of how I feel doing this poem. Like I'm holding up the world. It's so heavy. Here's your poem. Or part 3 of part 1. I want to be the smell of your childhood home and the reaction your body has when something smells exactly like it. That instant transportation to somewhere simpler. I want to be 5 a.m. on Christmas morning and the way every other person in the family yells at you to make it at least 7. Come on, this year at least 7. Maybe I could be a dog that followed you home one day, or looked at you with just the right combination of love and need that stopped your feet from shuffling out the shelter door, and turned on the spot you stood to rescue me. Maybe if I was a dog, on the day I died, all you would ever possibly remember were the good moments and the good things I did, and never the mistakes, or the times I broke things that shouldn't be broken, or acted just a little too defensive and willing to show everyone, everywhere, that you belong to me, and I belong to you. Part 1. That's part 1 done. Part 1 done, son. That means tomorrow we gotta do part 2 of part 1 of part 3. I love you. Part 2.